am Fahad Kattan. I am from Saudi Arabia. I am 43 years. I was diagnosed MS, multiple sclerosis, since 2002. I was taking medication. I was fine till 2014. In early 2014, I faced difficulties in walking. I cannot walk properly. I usually walk with the cane or with the help with assistant. I went for stem cells therapy several times in Germany, in Frankfurt, Stuttgart, and in Switzerland, Basel. Last visit was with the Swiss Medica was in Zurich. I felt some good improvement. This time, this was my 8th visit for stem cells therapy here in Moscow in Swiss Medica. I arrived here last week. This is my 7th day in that clinic. I felt some improvement. Even now I can walk slowly without the cane. I can stand up now, at least I can walk slowly without the cane.
And Mr. Fahad, one more thing. When after the treatment, when you start the process, when you start to feel improvements?
What you are here?
The last time, and any samples if you can give us with Swiss Medica, of course. Yeah.
With Swiss Medica, the first improvement I received when I went to Zurich, but it was only while standing and walking and taking rest. Walking and taking rest. This is after the treatment in Zurich with Swiss Medica. I couldn't, before going to Zurich, I couldn't stand too much, especially like when I take a shower. I couldn't stand even for 2-3 minutes.
Oh, okay.
After Zurich, at least I can take the shower comfortably. 10-15 minutes, go after the shower, it was okay. Even while walking before Zurich, I used to walk like 10 minutes, then rest for 2-3 minutes. I walk again less. I walk again 7 minutes, then rest 2-3 minutes, then walk 5 minutes. My power will go slowly down. After Zurich, no. If I walk for 10 minutes, then I rest for 2-3 minutes. I walk again for 10 minutes, rest, walk again for 10 minutes. At least I can walk the same 10 minutes, the same power. It is the same. This is after Zurich visit.
Excellent. So overall, after the stem cells therapy, you start to feel also like some kind of energy, like power, like recharge your whole body.
Of course, I recharge the whole body. One of the good things that I couldn't control my handwriting before the stem cells therapy. After Zurich, I can write properly. Before Zurich, I was shaking. My hands usually used to shake, but now no. After Zurich, I can write properly without no problem.
That's great. So all improvements all the way.
Yes.
And some also patients, they asking sometimes about the pain. How painful is the procedure?
No pain. I didn't feel the pain. I went from the clinic here, like after I did the stem cell therapy from the fat tissues or from the bone marrow. After 4 hours, I left the clinic. I went to the hotel. I went to the hotel. Yeah.
That's good. Okay. How the Swiss Medica was treating you here? How's the staff? How's the?
It was excellent. It was excellent from the time I arrived. From the time I arrived there, someone picked me up from the airport till my hotel, and then from the hotel next day till the clinic on a daily basis. From to the hotel to the clinic, everything was excellent. The meals, the bed, the bathroom, everything was excellent. The whole stuff.
I have to hear that.
Yeah.
And over here you got also how many days procedure in Moscow clinic?
7 days.
7 days. Every day you
every day I come here. They ask me, do you want 12 days treatment or 7? I tell them no, I have a little limited time, please. can you? And they did it for 7
Duration
days.
stay.
Yeah.
And what kind of feelings you have already right now? Do you start to feel already some?
Yes, I feel some improvement. I can even show you now how could I walk slowly without the cane.
That's great.
Yeah.
Could you please show the efficacy of our treatment, of what you can do?
Yeah. Usually I use to walk with this.
Okay.
This is I usually walk with this. Now after feeling the 1 week at least I can walk without
Any
without
This is doing very self.
even slowly, but at least I can walk.
Next step will be running and jogging.
Next visit I'll be doing the marathon.
That's great.
Okay.
Yeah, I can do it. Yeah, so this is only after 1 week. I hope this is during the month. It will be better. This is only after 7 days.
Yeah.
At least I can do. Yes, it is not normal. I know it is not normal, but at least without the cane. Now I can do it without the cane. Slowly. I know I'm not running, but it is. This is the beginning.
Next will be marathon jogging.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Bahar.
You're welcome.